Shall we learn your words? Are you ready to learn your words? We have first all your words which C and K are together. Okay, we have your words over here where C and K are closer. Now again I'm telling you, yes, we learned if C and K, yes, together, you must remember the action and the sound is K for both your letters. Now see, we have lock, lock. Can you see the spelling over here? I shall write the spellings for you so you will see clearly where C and K is. Lock, it's, yes, lock. So where is C and K? Yes, K is in front of C. You remember the rule? Yes, K is in front of C. Lock. Next one, clock. What's the next word? Clock. Okay, this is the timer clock which you see. Check your time. So it's clock. Now again, can you see over here what the spelling is? It C L O, again C and K are together. Clock. Okay, first one is L O C and K, clock. Second one C L O C K, clock. C and K are together. Your next one is luck. Your next word is luck. Again L U C K. Again C and K, yes, are closer. L U C K, luck. Your next word is cracks. Your next word is cracks. C R A C K S. Now is C and K together? Yes, cracks. So again C and K are together. C R A C K S, cracks. Okay, then next one is deck. Your next picture, can you see the picture clearly, children? Yes, the next one is deck. So again, what is the spelling? D E C K, deck. D E C K, deck. You can see for yourself, yes, C and K are close by. Your next spelling, the word tack. Your next word is tack. What's the word? Tack. Again T A C K, tack. C and K are closer. Next one, rocks. Your next picture is rocks. What's the spelling for rocks? Check where is C and K now. R O C K S. C and K is together? Yes, rocks. Again, you have your next word is chicken. What's your next word? Yes, chicken. Chicken. Now, can you see C and K is together? Yes. I will write it for you. C H I C K E N. Again C and K is closer. Chicken. Here, black. What is the word? Black. Can you see where is C and K? Yeah, it's together. Okay, because I've written all these words, now you can go through it. Black. Now, one more word, next word, pocket. What is this word? Pockets. It's a big word, I'll write it for you. Pockets. Check where is C and K? Pockets. Yes, C and K is together. Yes, it's pockets. Now, you have neck. Neck. N E C K. Neck. Last one, woodpecker. Yes, again C and K is here. Yes, woodpecker. Okay. Now these words, what you have learned here now, all these words C and K are together. Okay. So the action, for suppose I say, now you have learned, yes, you have learned, yeah, tag. Now if I say t, a, k, how do you write the spelling? Now only if I say k, how do you know C and K is going to cut? Yeah, you will write correctly T, a. You will write A. If I say k, yeah, so we show the action, yes, both together, isn't it? Your clicking castanets and your kicking king. So you have C and K over here. Okay, but if I show only C, only clicking castanets, you stop with C, right? If I show only kicking king, then you will stop, you will write only K. So you need to keep both your actions in mind, so you will write C and K. So once again, lock, clock, luck, cracks, deck, tack, rocks, chicken, black, pockets, neck and woodpecker. These pictures are with C and K. Now here also we have some pictures, some words where C and K are together, and as I already told you, where C is in the beginning and where K comes in the beginning. Okay, now see, your first one is cat. What is your word? Cat. Now you have only C here, isn't it? Because A and T is there in front of C. So K is not there. It's only cat. Now when I say cat, how do you write the spelling? With the sound? No, I say k. I say k, a, t. Do you know it is K or C? Yes. So your action. Yes, it's k, k. So you write only C. And I say a. Yes, you write A. And I say t. You write T. So k, a, t. What's the yes, cat. Yes, children? Yes. So the word here is cat. Yeah, next word is keg. Your next word is keg. So out K. Yes, so this is your kicking king. Okay, your sound k is with kicking king. So you know what are you supposed to write, isn't it? Yes, you need to write K. So it is keg. Okay, cat, keg. Now this word is socks. Yes, so your C and K is together. Now your C, your K, only K for keg. Your socks, C and K is together. Next one, cup. Do you have K near it? No, it's starting with yes, K. Yes, it's starting with K. Yes, C. So it is cup. Cup. Now here, duck. Duck. Yes, C and K is together. Curly caterpillar. Yes, and kicking king. Both are together, isn't it? So, K. Now here, cop. K, cop. Yes, only C. Only C. It's cop. Next one, kid. Kid. Yes, K. Now, here you have again kick. Kick. It is starting with your sound k and also ending with your sound k. But it's starting with K, that's only kicking king, yes, and now it's ending with C and K, your curly caterpillar and your kicking king, K. So once again, cat, keg, sock, cup, duck, cop, kid and kick. Okay, so I want you to keep in mind the C and K, that is your sound and your action, and only when you start the word with C, what action, and only when you start the word with K, what action.